Okay, so I have been getting this same exact question over and over again on a lot of my previous videos about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 right here. And that question is, what is battery life like on this device right here? Is it good? Is it bad? And I've been given the same question that it's still too early to really tell what battery life is going to be like on this device. I mean, it is still learning my usage patterns, but since I still keep getting this question, I thought, hey, you know what? Why don't we just do battery life so far here on the Galaxy Z Fold 8? So I'll tell you guys right now, right off the bat, it already seems like battery life is going to be very promising with this device right here, especially just recently with my most recent full charge on this device. I actually charged it, it was like around maybe 1 a.m. yesterday is when I took it off the charger, and it just turned 1 a.m. today, as you can see. So almost about a full 24 hours. I don't remember the exact time, but it was around this time. And I am down to 5% battery life, as you can see right there. So yeah, that's the first thing I'll tell you guys, is that battery life has actually seemed very well on this device, and I can only imagine that it's going to get better once it finally does learn my full usage patterns and once a little bit of time has gone on. And look at this, we do got some wobble there. For those of you who are wondering, yes, we do get some wobble with this device. Are we going to get it with, when the phone's open? Not a whole lot. I mean, there's a little bit of wobble there, not on these corners, just on this bottom right corner. But all right, enough of that. Let's go ahead and go into the battery settings here, and let's check it out. Let's see what my usage has been like since the last charge. I do have it set up since last charge right there. So as you can see, stopped charging 23 hours and 49 minutes ago. So again, almost 24 hours it's been since I've taken this device off of the charger. And if I click on this once more, it's going to give me my screen on time, 7 hours and 49 minutes of screen on time. Now, this is mixed usage, okay? This screen on time is not fully just for the outside display here, and it's not fully for the inside display either. Now, when it comes to using both the outside and the inside display, I would say my usage since this last charge right here was probably, I would say maybe 60-40. I did use the outside display a bit more than that inside display. Of course, everybody's usage is going to be different when it does come to these foldable devices. But, this will just give you an idea of what battery life is like so far. And this was all my usage since that last charge. As you can see here, we got TikTok right there for 1 hour and 35 minutes. Fortnite for 47 minutes. Now, that is a long 47 minutes with that inside display, which is going to use up more battery life than the outside display. So I think it handled that very well. And I will have a full dedicated gaming video, because I do want to say that I didn't even notice the device to get hot when I was playing for those 47 minutes straight. So it handled it very well. We got about 1 hour and 4 minutes of Instagram, 33 minutes of Scrabble Go, got some One UI Home, just trying to customize my phone a little bit more. We got some X messages, we got YouTube Studio, Clash of Clans, Asphalt Legends, Facebook, YouTube, Amazon Shopping, Gmail. So this is just what the rest of my usage has been like since I last took my device off of the charger, with TikTok, Fortnite, and Instagram being my most used apps since then. But yeah, I mean, come on, 7 hours and 49 minutes. That is insane battery life for this little device. And I gotta say, I was not expecting battery life to be as good as it is. I believe this has what, a 4,800 milliamp battery, or milliamp hour battery. And I mean, it's powering this outside display, it's powering this inside display right here. And that paired with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, it's doing a very good job. It is very well optimized, and battery life, as you can see, it has been really, really good. And it's nice that we have a battery that can last as long as it does, at least for me so far, because it gives me an opportunity to actually enjoy this device and be able to test out everything that I want to test out, not just, with the outside display testing stuff like, social media, maps, whatever, YouTube, watching content, just scrolling through the device, doing different things. But I can also get to enjoy this inside display as well, and do stuff like play games and watch content on this bigger display, and even use the internet. I got a question in one of my last videos, what's internet like on this device? So jumping over to Samsung.com right here, this is what it's going to look like using the web browser here on the bigger inner display right here. And it runs very smooth, as you can see. There's super smooth experience. So I mean, you can use it like this, or you can rotate the phone and use it like this as well, and be able to see more on that screen. And when you hold it like this, it almost feels like you're using an actual tablet, but super lightweight and super thin. And it is just a super smooth experience when it does come to using the internet. And as you can see from my tabs up at the top, I have been using it quite a bit. There's a lot of stuff that I like to keep open to go back and check, for certain information and all that. So yeah, when it comes to using the internet on here, it is nice. So, I mean, overall, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 right here has been such a great, fun device to use. And I've said this already in previous videos. I've been loving the overall form factor, the performance, when it comes to gaming, editing videos, taking photos and videos as well, using the cameras on this device. Even though I wish cameras were, maybe a little bit better, like something like the Galaxy S26 Ultra, because I was so used to how good the cameras are on that video. In fact, that's the device that is recording this video right now as I speak. But so far I've been enjoying the Galaxy Z Fold 8 right here. But I just wanted to quickly update you guys with battery life and let you know what it's been like so far. As you can see, the screen does keep dimming. That's because we are down to 5% battery life right there. So yeah, y'all let me know what you think about that down in the comment sections below. Does it look like battery life is going to be very promising with this device? It can get better or it can get worse. In my opinion, I feel like it is going to get better and better as time goes on and as we get updates, things like that, as it gets more optimized. But right now I can't really complain when it comes to battery life, to be honest. But again, leave your thoughts, your questions down in the comment sections below. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you do want to pre-order this device for yourself, I'll have a pre-order link down in the description below as well as the pinned comment. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.